Hello, everybody, and happy Monday afternoon. It's about 11 o'clock, and I wanted to talk with all of you about what our next task is going to be on our state newspaper. Because you all know that you are taking notes on all of the different topics that you're interested in. And many of you, I've noticed, have started to input things into your actual newspaper template. Last week, we talked a little bit about what a byline is. We talked about how you need to have at least 4 big sections. And we talked about the who, what, when, where, why of your paragraphs. And so today we're going to be talking about a few other things that we're going to start including in our newspaper, because if you actually look at Google Classroom, and I'm going to take you there really quick. So if you look at classwork, and you go down to social studies, the state newspaper is due 5/15. Now that still gives us about a week and a half, but that does mean that we have a lot of things that we still need to do. So keep in mind this due date is 5/15. You'll notice I started to input some things into my newspaper that you can easily do too. Over on the left-hand side, it said state. Mine is California, so I wrote California. Then there was a place to put the date. You get to choose whatever date you want it to be. I said Sunday, May 3rd. You get to list a price and create a title. You do get to change font, change colors, change size of everything. So that's something you can start doing today. Now, on the side, in our small facts area, you have space for either some small articles, weather, advertisements, or just some regular pictures. So on the side over here, I was starting to put some California pictures. I have palm trees, and today I'm going to show you how to insert and just drag and drop another picture. So up here, I was looking for missions, but I'm not going to do that anymore. So let's just do maybe California beaches. And I would love a beautiful picture of the beach. All I'm going to do is click on it, drag it into my example, and drag it and drop it where I want it. Now the picture will be smaller than you want, but it's because it only gives you a small space to work with. You might want to increase the size of your headings, and you will want headings for every single section. So we have a small heading here, California pictures. We have our heading here, Disneyland. Heading here, weird laws. I might actually use this space down here to do a weather ad. So I might do climate here, and I'll just decide what exactly to do with that later. But I will write my heading there just so I'm aware, and I bolded it. Now going down, on this side, I'm not sure exactly what I want here yet, but I was starting to research missions of California. So to me, it seemed interesting to put a map of the missions here. And then I'm almost 100% positive I'm going to have this section be on California missions. So I'm going to put that title right up there. And I can change it later if I want to. California missions. And then Article 5 and Article 6, these are optional. So I'm actually just going to get rid of them because I'm only doing 4 articles. So if I change the size of my view, I'm able to see it a little bit better. So I am going to have 1, 2, 3. Looks like my 4 somehow got okay, so I'm going to go in and re-add my 4th section, but this is a great view for you to be able to look at.